Okay. So this is the advanced concept we are going to discuss, data table. So by using map and hash map, I have created an object, data table object, and Excel API test for all the reusable methods has been written. Excel related reusable methods has been written in this class, and I'm importing that one from package name and this class name. And the data table is equal to e dot get data table of Excel sheet and sheet name I'm giving. So what is this line main means? So let me go back to my Excel sheet TC01 EMP export 4. So here I have given my input data, test case, username, password, nationality, skill name, skill description, test URL, parameter 3. So this is my TC01 test case and this is my TC04 test case. Is everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is my TC01 test case and this is my TC04 test case. So to read input data related to TC01, I'm writing like this. Data table dot get of TC01 dot username and TC01 dot password, TC01 dot nationality, TC01 dot TCU, like this. So TC02 dot username, TC02 dot password, skill name and skill history, and I'm printing the values. And so by using so I'm using only single Excel sheet, and I can maintain all my test case number. And based on my test case number dot parameter name, I can able to read corresponding input value. So whatever parameter name is there here. So here, this is the exact parameter name I am giving. Okay, username, password in this program only. So parameter name, exact parameter name I am reading. So TC01 nationality. So TC01 is this one. So this one nationality means this value it will be retrieved.
స్క్రీన్ తర్వాత వస్తుంది.
అందరికి అలాగే ఉందా?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. అట్లానే ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే. ఓకే. ఇందాకదంతా సెషన్ ఓకేనా? ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్.
అది ఓకే.
ఓకే. సో జస్ట్ ఒక 10 minutes ఎట్లా ఒకటి కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాను. సో ఈ టాపిక్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. సో డేటా టేబుల్ డాట్ గెట్ ఆఫ్ TC01. సో ఐ కెన్ స్టోర్ దిస్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ into a global variable. And I am able to get my input data here. Test URL is equal. So that means this concept is I can give all my input data, all the test cases input data into a single Excel sheet itself. No need to maintain multiple Excel sheet. So test URL, username, password, nationality. And once your input data is ready, you can use this input data in your set of driver, and you can do parameterization and everything. So is everyone clear? Any doubts here? So this is the Excel sheet. This is the TC04. So based on my Excel sheet test case number, I'm reading particular input data. TC01 related test parameter values. This is TC02 parameter values. So TC02 means, so here I need to give TC02, right? So that TC02 parameter values is this one. So whenever I want skill name, I can get these values. TC02 dot skill name dot skill description. So skill name parameter value I have given. So I'm able to retrieve and I can use it for another test case. So previously what is happening, for every test case I have maintained multiple Excel sheet, but here I'm maintaining only single Excel sheet and I'm giving my parameter values. So like this. Okay. But whenever you are implementing data driven test, okay, you cannot follow this approach because every test case input data is different. So for a data driven test, number of rows and columns should be same. Okay, for every, so while implementing data driven, you can follow that approach. But if you want to maintain a consolidated Excel sheet, you can use this approach. Okay, so this is the advanced concept. So nowadays companies are following this approach as well. But these topics can not covering by any of the institutes in Hyderabad. I can surely tell 100%. Okay, so like this, you can able to read the input data and we can maintain single Excel sheet only. Okay, so yeah, that's it I want to tell. So we have completed all the labs. See, I have done some examples also here. Skill name, skill description.
Sir, unable to hear your voice.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not audible.